to the channel. So in this video I'm just going to teach you how to play the main riff from Sincerity is Scary from the 1975. This pretty much repeats throughout the entire song. You could play this all the way through and it would pretty much fit. So there's lots of jazzy chords in this one, so I'm going to try and break this down as best as I can. The very intro of the song is actually an electric piano sound, so I'm just going to move slightly higher up because we're going to be playing some higher notes. So the very beginning of the song goes something like this. We're going to split the chord between two hands. So the right hand is effectively going to be playing a D major chord and then moving that entire shape up one to E major, which is E, G sharp and B, and then up to F sharp minor, which is F sharp, A and C sharp. So there we've got. And the left hand with those chords is going to be playing B, C sharp, D. So together they fit like this. And then we have, if you can play octaves, play octaves. We have E's, and then it goes down to A's. And then it repeats that entire sequence as a total of 3 times. So that's the very beginning part. So the next part is a bit you heard in the very beginning of this video, which is the main bulk of the song. So I'm going to move my camera back down. Okay, I've switched back to a piano sound now. So the first chord is a D major 9. So in the right hand, you're going to play F sharp, A, C sharp, and E. And I'm playing these with these 4 fingers here. 1, 2, 3, and 5. And play slightly higher up the keys. And then what we're going to do is we're going to play the C sharp and the A individually, and then we're going to play G sharp and B, and then we're going to play them again and then add the E in there as well, so it goes like that. And then after that we're going to play a B really quickly before we play the chord of A and C sharp, like that. I'll go over that first bit again. And then the last chord is called a G9. Again, this will make more sense when we have the left hand in there as well, which in the right hand you're just going to play an F, A and B. So all together, that's. And then the left hand, you can play octaves if you want, or you can just play single notes. So we've got D, F, F, F sharp, and then G. That's it. So if I fit that together really slowly, and again, this riff makes up the majority of the song. And then that repeats again. So some really interesting jazzy chords in there. So I hope that's been useful. Please just give this video a thumbs up if it has. If you have any song requests, please leave them in the comment section below, and I look forward to talking with you all there. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!